And we return to an earlier story. Operators of public passenger vehicles PPVs will have to wait a while longer to get the remainder of the long overdue fare increase. The government has been dragging its feet on delivering the remaining 16% fare hike promised 2 years ago. As Sandy Williams reports, the Transport Minister is insisting that the fare increase remains a top priority.
Back in October 2023, the government approved a 35% hike in bus and taxi fares to be rolled out in 2 phases. The first phase, an increase of 19%, kicked in on October 15, 2023. For the remaining 16%, it was supposed to take effect in April 2024, but more than a year later, it's still stuck in neutral. Now, taxi and bus operators say they've reached their breaking point. The latest cry for relief came from the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services TODS. The group is warning that the delay is pushing private operators to the brink, especially as state-run JUTC buses begin expanding into rural routes. TODS President Edgerton Newman says the JUTC's presence could slash PPV earnings by as much as 25%.
The transport sector has been waiting for nearly 2 years for that 16% balance. No, we can't go any further. We can't go beyond September morning.
According to Transport Minister Darrell Vaz, it's all tied to Jamaica's inflation rate, which he says is dropping but not fast enough. The decision now rests with the Ministry of Finance and Cabinet.
Inflation rate has reduced, not to where we need it to go as yet, but the 16% is definitely outstanding, and I'm waiting on the Ministry of Finance now to go back to Cabinet.
Mr. Vaz hinted that new buses in the fleet are helping to cushion the blow of fare hikes. Still, he insists getting approval for the second phase of the increase remains a top priority. This was his response when pressed for a timeline.
The timeline is as quickly as possible. It's something that I made a commitment to and actually announced, and actually had to ask the transport operators to understand the impact of what it would have done, which would have affected them and their families and everybody. So it is a priority for me.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.